Our vision is bigger than most had thought we would become.
Surrounded by a team of people committed with passion every day to serve our clients at the top level.
My passion is to help people achieve their goals they didn't believe would be possible by creating simple actions towards the life they aspire to create. That's what we are all about.
My heart is filled with joy and gratitude when I see them hitting goals that create their life by design for themselves, their clients, and their families.
Together, we have created a culture that promotes growth outside their comfort zones, while supporting each other in business and personal goals.
We face the uncomfortable to challenge ourselves to become better leaders, to better serve and support the entire team.